नमस्कार दोस्तों, एक बार फिर से स्वागत है आपका आपके अपने ही यूट्यूब चैनल में। आज की इस वीडियो में हम जीके जीएस के 20 क्वेश्चन करने वाले हैं। ये सभी क्वेश्चन सभी प्रतियोगी परीक्षाओं के लिए सब बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हैं। जिन्होंने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया वो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और इस वीडियो को आपको अंत तक देखना है। अंत में कमेंट कर कर बताना है कि आपको कितने सही जवाब पता है। हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, हमारी वीडियो को शेयर करें ताकि आपको और आपके फ्रेंड्स को बहुत ही ज़्यादा मदद मिल सके। बिना किसी देरी के शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। हु फाउंडेड भक्ति मूवमेंट? ऑप्शन ए कालिदास, ऑप्शन बी रामानुज, ऑप्शन सी कबीर, ऑप्शन डी रामानंद। Option B is the correct answer. Ramanuja found Bhakti movement. Today's second question is, who was the founder of the Delhi Sultanate? Option A Muhammad bin Qasim, Option B Muhammad Ghaznavi, Option C Muhammad Ghori, Option D Qutb-ud-Din Aibak. Option D is the correct answer. Qutb-ud-Din Aibak was the founder of Delhi Sultanate. Next question is, who is known as the Frontier Gandhi? Option A Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Option B Lala Lajpat Rai, Option C Sardar Patel, Option D Chandrasekhar Azad. Option A is the correct answer. Abdul Ghaffar Khan is known as the Frontier Gandhi. Next question is, Hertz is the SI unit of option A frequency, option B sound, option C energy, option D heat. Option A is the correct answer. Hertz is the SI unit of frequency. Who is known as the Bismarck of India? Option A Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, option B Subhash Chandra Bose, option C Chandrasekhar Azad, option D Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Option A is the correct answer. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is known as the Bismarck of India. Today's next question is, who was the Governor General of India at the time of formation of Indian National Congress? Option A Lord Wellesley, option B Lord Curzon, option C Lord Dufferin, option D Lord William Bentinck. Option C is the correct answer. Lord Dufferin was the Governor General of India at the time of formation of Indian National Congress. Today's next question is, microphone is a device which convert the option A sound signal into current signal, option B sound signal into light signal, option C current signal into sound signal, option D light signal into sound signal. Option A is the correct answer of question number 7. Microphone is the device which convert the sound signal into current signal. Next question is, night blindness is caused due to the deficiency of which vitamin? Option A vitamin A1, option B vitamin B1, option C vitamin C, option D vitamin D. Option A is the correct answer. Vitamin A1. Night blindness is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A1. Next question is, the filament of electric bulb is made up of option A tungsten, option B copper, option C aluminum, option D nickel. The filament of electric bulb is made up of option A tungsten, option B copper, option C aluminum, option D nickel. Option A is the correct answer. The filament of electric bulb is made up of tungsten. Which non-matter remains liquid at room temperature? Option A bromine, option B chloride, option C helium, option D carbon. Option A is the correct answer. Bromine is the non-metal which remains liquid at room temperature. Which non-metal is used in the pencil? Option A graphite, option B silicon, option C bromine, option D carbon. Option A is the correct answer. Graphite is a non-metal used in the formation of pencil. Which of the following is a direct entry input device? Option A mouse, option B optical scanner, option C light pen, option D all of these. Option D is the correct answer of question number 12. All of these are direct entry input devices. How many bits are in IP address? Option A 32 bits, option B 16 bits, option C 8 bits, option D 64 bits. Option A is the correct answer. There are 32 bits in the IP address. What is the full form of LAN? Option A local area network, option B long area network, option C least area network, option D none of these. Option A is the correct answer. LAN, full form of LAN is local area network. Next question is, which of the following fish is known as the king of all fishes? Option A whale, option B dolphin, option C shark, option D shrimp. Option C is the correct answer. Shark is known as the king of all the fishes. Next question. When did Alexander attack India? Option A 483 BC, option B 326 BC, option C 300 BC, option D 563 BC. Option B is the correct answer. Alexander attacked India in 326 BC. Which state of India is known as the tea garden of India? Option A Assam, option B Meghalaya, option C Manipur, option D Tripura. Option A is the correct answer. Assam is known as the tea garden of India. Next question is, which of the following was the first satellite launched by India? Option A Aryabhat, option B Rohini, option C INSAT, option D Bhaskara. Option A is the correct answer. Aryabhatta was the first satellite launched by the India. Agra is situated on the bank of which river? Option A Ganga river, option B Jamuna river, option C Krishna river, option D Ravi river. Option B is the correct answer. Agra city is situated on the Jamuna river. Question number 20. Who is the founder of Paytm? Option A Shankar Prasad Nath, option B Vijay Shankar Sharma, option C Kailash Giri, option D none of these. Option B is the correct answer. Vijay Shankar Sharma.